The WINGBO 72-inch DC ceiling fan features a sleek and contemporary design, making it a great addition to any modern living space. Equipped with 8 lightweight plywood blades, this fan is designed to provide powerful air circulation across large areas. A convenient remote control allows you to effortlessly adjust between 6 fan speeds and switch between summer and winter modes. The included 18-watt LED light offers multiple color temperature options, ensuring the right ambiance for any setting. This ceiling fan is versatile in installation, accommodating both flat and sloped ceilings, and is suitable for damp locations. With its energy-efficient whisper-quiet DC motor, the fan delivers excellent performance while keeping energy consumption low.